So guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Ayodiji Akela. So in this video, I would like to share with you an app that you can install on your phone to enable you type the Yoruba alphabet as well as the Yoruba words. So the purpose of me sharing this video with you is because I believe you must have started your journey in learning the Yoruba language, but you need something to aid your learning process. So one of these tools that is going to aid your learning process is having an app installed on your phone that you can always fall back on to type the Yoruba alphabet at one point or the other, and you can also type Yoruba words with it. And this app is both available for the iPhone and the Android phones. So, and I believe some of you must have known about this app, but these particular features I'm going to share with you in the app, maybe you might have not come across it, but I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how to install the app and also how to set it up so that you can type the Yoruba alphabet. But before we continue, if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd like you to do so right now, and also turn on the notification button so that when I'm installing a new when I'm putting up a video online again, you are going to be the first to be notified. So let's get to it. Wow, so easy. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Well, do not forget to give my video a like, and also forget subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you some other time in my next video. Goodbye for now.